If you want to create a group chat in Messages on Samsung Galaxy S25, in case of Google Messages, we can simply tap this bubble over here in the bottom right corner in order to create a new conversation, and then we have Create Group button, where we can select all people that we want to include in the group chat, and then we can press Next. We can also set up the name and press Done. And then of course over here we can write a text, whatever we want to send to the group. However, as you can see in this case, we have an information that each recipient will get a message from you and replies will appear in individual conversations. In the case of Samsung Messages app, it looks pretty similar. Press the chat bubble and we can add recipients. So let's say I'm gonna select these two contacts, then press Done, and then we can send the message and then send it. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!